Alright guys, today we are rocking with this monster right here. The Sony A7iii paired with the 85mm 1.4 by Sigma. We are here at Oak Mountain State Park. Gonna see what we can get. Sun will be setting in 5:22 at 7:05, so got about an hour and a half until sunset. So let's see what we can get. Gonna touch the focus here. We're gonna focus on the ground right there. I kind of like the color of the trees, the light shining off the trees over there. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Oh. That'd be a good screensaver, like an iPhone or something. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make that a screensaver. Head over to my Instagram if you wanna download that. I'll put that on my story if you wanna download that for a screensaver. No, not really. Oh. I don't have a polarizer with me. I'm gonna try to get that ray of light shining on those plants over there. Ooh. Okay, that tree is huge. Look how big that thing is. Man, I wish I had brought my polarizer. That's a cool shot. That's cool. That's kind of cool. I like to use a lot of this brush right here to kind of put it in the foreground. Just to kind of add something in there to kind of lead your eye into what you're shooting far in the distance. That's kind of cool. That is a big pine cone. It's kind of a moody shot. I like that shot, but let's see what it looks like if I get down here. Actually, you know what? We're gonna go to manual focus. We're gonna try to get that pine cone right there. This is a good spot right here. Ooh, yeah, this is, I like this right here. We'll go manual focus. Where's my little, we'll go touchscreen in the middle. Right there. That's cool. Those are cool flowers. This is such a good spot. I really like these reflection shots that kind of take up the whole frame. Like right here, if I pull my screen out. Especially something like this, because you've got the light coming in on that side of the trees, and then on, you know, in the foreground, and then also in the background, and that far left corner you've got kind of a shadowy part, so you kind of got the contrast of the light on those trees versus the darkness in the foreground and the background. It definitely makes a shot like this more interesting, because when you're looking out, and I'm gonna try not to step on a snake over here, but when you've got a shot like this, it may not look very interesting, but if you can use like for example, this shot right here, you've got the light hitting that side of the tree, and then you've got these trees back here, which are kind of in the shadow. It can make your photo a little bit more interesting. You know, when you're taking a picture of something that might not be as, some people may not think that this is very interesting, but you could take a decent location and make it a little bit more make a photo look a lot better. So again here, so I'm going to use this tree right here, because again you got these lighter trees on the left side, and then you have the shadows on the right. So I'm going to kind of use that and compose this shot right here, because it's kind of cool. You have a lighter side and then you have a darker side to kind of contrast the difference between, you know, the light hitting the different parts of the trees. So that's kind of a cool photo. Alright, I'm going to go to manual focus, because these trees in the front are kind of messing up that continuous focus. So we'll go